you ever wondered how to make cake pops? If so, today's your lucky day because I'm going to teach you. And then this is my audience. First you're going to wash your hands.
You got a cousin who's telling you something that doesn't have nothing to do with the loving that we're in, baby.
Then you're going to get your ingredients. First you're going to need a cup of water. You're going to need half cup of vegetable oil. You're going to need some eggs. You're going to need your cake mix. You're going to need your white chocolate, frosting, a mixing bowl, a whisk, and a pan. First, you're going to put your cake mix into the bowl. Then you're going to put a cup of water. Oh wait, toss it back. Oh. Now you're going to crack your egg. Then you're going to mix it together. Oh wait.
Wait, how much are you putting?
A half cup. You're gonna pour it in the pan. You know, set your oven to 350. The mix in there. Set a timer for 28 minutes. Okay, after you take the cake out of the oven, you're going to mix it with frosting and then put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. And then you're going to make balls. Yeah, you put 3/4 of the frosting or however much you need to make the cake moist, and then you're going to make them into balls. And then you're going to wash your hands to get all the cake off.
Two black Cadillacs driving in a slow parade.
You're going to put them in the fridge. Right here. Oh. Just kidding. Oh. Okay. And then you're going to wait 30 minutes. And then you're going to take it out. You're going to have it. And you're going to have your melted chocolate. And you're going to drizzle the chocolate on there to make it almost, yeah, roll. You make it. There's your cake pop. And then put it back in the fridge.
Split it hard on.
Voila.